Today we're doing a high puff with the side part. Normally I'll do a low one, which I feel like is easier because you just have to like make a part and then you bring everything to the side, and then you might have a little bit of problems here like brushing down. But to put it high up, you need two sections, otherwise it's just not gonna look right. So I've already sectioned my hair. I have this little part in the front, which I feel like makes the biggest difference. If you put too much hair in this little part, it looks like this because I brushed it out. You have to brush it out. But if you put too much hair in this little section, it's gonna look disgusting. So, and it's gonna be much harder. You want this to be easier. It's quick, you know, summer, hot, whatever. So you make your little side part, and you're not gonna go way too far. Like if it's a lower bun, whatever, lower puff, you could put as low as you want. But you just want a small section, and then you want this section of hair to be tiny in the middle, right? You don't want to include all this here because then it's going to be even harder for you when you have to pin this part up. All right, so make sure you have your little section, and then you could literally just like roll it up into a ball until you're ready to deal with that. This is going to take the longest because you got to smooth it out. Yeah, so you just have that there, and then the back part is super easy because all you need to do is put up your hair as high as you want it. Like I wore it to the gym yesterday and it was so cute. So from the side, it was just cute. So you want to smooth it out. I'm gonna use Eco Styler. I'm gonna use a brush, and I'm gonna use my edge control brush. Like this brush is like a lifesaver. It has the comb part to part. It has this little thingy to, you know, and this little thingy to brush. So I'm gonna put it up. Yeah, I'm gonna put it up. So I put it up already. You could fluff the back out or make it as defined as you want. For me, because I was brushing and not brushing my hair and whatnot, it looks just like a, you know, like a big random puff, which is what I like. You can make it as smooth or as fluffy as you like. Now I brush my hair, I put the gel, and I'm just going in with my edge control brush and brushing down the hairs. No, cause why does it look like I'm losing hair right there? To be honest, like I need to go talk to a hair doctor. I need some hair growth oil or something. Okay, cool. Now we got to deal with this unicorn part, which you can just leave it like that if you want. Have a cute little style. No, we're not gonna do that. This side is pretty simple. You take some more gel, you put it on, you know, and we're gonna brush it and get it as smooth as we want. You could use a brush or you could just use the edge control for this part. So we're gonna like twist it right there at the bottom, and then we're gonna tuck it behind our ear. All right, so after you've done that, you're gonna be able to go back in and brush it a little. All right, you're gonna be able to fix it, but your first two bobby pins need to go right behind your ear and like hold it right there. This is the final product. This is what it looks like from the side and the back. You could do more with the back if you want. You could even put it up in a bun, whatever. Yeah, disclaimer, this hairstyle might not be for you if you're prone to crying and you're in a rush, because I had to redo the front like 3 times. So instead of it taking me 5 minutes, it took me 30. But yeah, super cute, super simple, kind of easy.